Hello everyone guys! It's been a long time since we had a video, so I suggest we start our analysis right away. Because this is a lot of new stuff. Let's go. So Bitcoin, what we have going on right now. Let me remind you, for those who are not in the know, we had the first wave of growth. We rolled back exactly to 0.61 Fibonacci level, which is approximately $19,000 to $20,000, and then we started growing exactly by the technical analysis as we were taught. And now we've done exactly the same growth wave. We are in a correction phase, a decline phase, but our trend is not yet broken. We're continuing our upward movement. Nothing has changed. We also have the support level. We haven't broken through it. It's about this zone. We've been bouncing and poking away from it. Let's see, we were poking it with these stops. This point was safely bought back, and now we see a similar reaction. Also guys, an important point, if you open the Binance chart, you will see that there are almost no volumes right now. That tells you that people are waiting for something right now. People are not ready to sell or buy. But this is the time when we have big movements, very strong and impulsive. Plus, the terms of timing, it's already time. Time to get out of the sideways position that we've been in for a very long time. In fact, we still have two possible scenarios remaining. First scenario, let's also stretch the Fibonacci grid. The 0.61 level is approximately $24,000, and concisely, the first possible scenario is a fall to this level. We have quite a big liquidity in this area, to the area of the past highs, that is approximately in this small corridor, and here we can continue our trading. A lot of people will be expecting the kind of rise from here. It probably won't happen also at this point. I myself will be picking up margin longs on a test. Not on the big rise that many will be expecting, but on a retest of the level we are at now. It's about this kind of bounce. This move up can safely be picked up of where we get to the 0.61 level. While this is a negative scenario, I'm pretty sure it won't happen. Probably in my opinion, this is not a financial recommendation, guys. Remember, I am not a predictor. I am not a Bitcoin handler, not a manipulator, unfortunately. But I know that this scenario is unlikely according to my analysis. After all that, we will most likely go down again sharply into the 20,000 area and build sharply from there. Make a retest again and get something like a head of shoulders. It's negative scenario, and it fits our whole plan perfectly. Okay, let's erase everything again. Now, back to the positive scenario. The scenario that's most likely to happen, that's worth preparing for. How can it be? From here we have to grow, bounce back and build the same head of shoulders, only upside down or something like that. Either way, there will be some similar structure of the bows. Either it will be as shoulders, head over, or some kind of triangle. Suppose we are going to break through and start pushing towards the structure. Or rather, the structure is going to push up, but most likely it will not happen. And we will go down just to the 0.61 level, and from there we will go up sharply. In other words, this move is needed to shave off both longists and shortists. With this move, we will scare and eliminate all the shortists who believed in the fall. Here we will go the same with the longest. Hopefully, we will have a true move already without the passengers at this rocket. We are going to trade in the area between $32,000 and $36,000 for quite a long time. There will be a sideways movement. Like I said, guys, that we should have an alt season. The market just needed it for this euphoria, because the main reason for the manipulators for these big bonds is to lure people back into the market, because the funds, the big players, and the manipulators themselves entered, but the hamsters did not enter because that will selling this asset. Now, the second phase, when it's important to get the crop back into the market and then bring it down. There will be a collapse either way. We haven't started a bull market. This is important. Don't forget about it when you are going to buy some asset in the short or long term. I won't say anything about long term. Bitcoin should always be bought. This is the golden rule of any crypto investors naturally successful. It doesn't really matter if we go up or down, the altcoin will go either way. In the first case, this one will be where the sidewheel is when altcoin starts shooting. Or if we go up, it will be here. Altcoin will also cut off. There have been lessons on altcoins and in general. Come down now in the comments. Be sure to write your opinion on Bitcoin, what you yourself think, what to expect, what not to expect. I will be very pleasant for me. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. It is a very big motivation for me to move on to record for you cool content on my analytics. Thank you, guys. So my personal prediction for Bitcoin is between $33,000 and $36,000 during a month, unless there is some serious negativity like default. But of course it won't happen. Guys, a few words about the political situation, which has nothing to do with technical analysis or with asset and finances. For the most part, it's a default. The USA authorities themselves the USA. Treasury actively disperses all this negativity. News that a default is possible. That they will announce the date of default. That they cannot guarantee that there will not be a default, and so on. All of this suggests that most likely this is all just manipulation. They're stirring up the market into negativity in order to say later that they will raise to the national debt and everything will be fine. Most likely it will be the other day, maybe even today, even you are watching this video, so there is nothing to worry about. There probably will not be a default. It will not be beneficial for the USA itself and its economy. So, with a 99% probability, the national debt limit will be raised and will be fine, guys. And the big major failure will be slightly postponed. At this moment, we will have euphoria in all markets. If we speak about S&P 1500, if we speak about Bitcoin, there will be euphoria and the assets will grow, and it will grow very well. In the end, we will see a run of between $33,000 and $36,000. What structure we will use? Will it all go up this way and up, or we go straight up from here without a break? Or we will fall to the 0.61 level and go up with the crowd? Though I am almost sure it will not happen. But one way or another it is possible. One way or another we will go up, so I expect a lot of the negativity that is pulling up, eventually a positive decision and asset growth. Notice, guys, there are a large number of shorties right now who are expecting just between $24,000 and $24,500 for Bitcoin. But this doesn't mean it will. It will come up to this value. Most probably after that we will go lower, because everybody will buy there. And there is no sense for the big players to drag everybody up and give them an opportunity to earn. That is also important to understand. Friends, this is all I wanted to say today. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I will wait you for tomorrow in the next video. And the videos I try to record every day. See you soon. Thank you, guys.